Okay, let's get started. I am delighted to... I don't need Attorney General Barr's interpretation of the report. I am for the report, and our main thrust on this issue is simply transparency. Release the report, then come to conclusions.
You've been highly critical of the Green New Deal.
The intelligence community needs to look at it and make sure that we don't disclose sources and methods or classified information to hurt the country. Then pretty much what's left, I would urge him to turn over to the country, the good, the bad, the ugly, come to the committee and be willing to answer questions. And I think that's the process that we're embracing now, is to make sure we sanitize the report for classified information and grand jury information, then give as much as possible to the public. When that can be done in a professional, efficient manner, he will come to the committee and answer questions.
Did he give you an idea of timing?
I think every reasonable lawyer would say you don't want to turn over grand jury information. That's literally against the law. And I think all of us want to make sure that classified information sources and methods are protected. Beyond that, let's lay it out there. That healthcare was the first thing out of his mouth, was that, we got to be the party of healthcare. We got to get pre-existing conditions. We got to prove to everybody that if they get sick, they're not going to lose their coverage. And we're not going to give up on health care. It is an important issue, and we think our ideas are going to work better for the public than Obamacare. Music to my ears, because, everybody talks about the politics of health care. What I'm talking about is outcomes. We need better outcomes for the American people. We need lower cost.
I have my colleagues here, Senators Schatz and Markey and Cortez. The conversation has now shifted already in a day to health care, and the Republicans know they're in trouble. President Trump said the Republican Party will be the party of health care. If that is true, God help middle-class Americans, because Donald Trump wants to raise the cost of prescription drugs, get rid of protections for pre-existing conditions, throw tens of millions of people off health care, and tell 21 through 26-year-olds they can no longer get health care from their parents' plan.